Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on the application of Crunchyroll app. We go to settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Crunchyroll and you will click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.